Are you ready to make your ideas come to life? Hi, my name is Mohammed, and this is where I make all your graphic dreams come true. With over 11 years of experience as a professional graphic designer, it has been my job and passion to create wonderful visuals for the ideas of thousands just like you. No matter your goals or experience with design, I am here to help you express your vision and get the results you need as soon as you need them. Everything from logos, flyers and posters, illustrations, brand identity, website banners, packaging and labels, social media artwork, and much, much more. If you can imagine it, I can design it. My expertise in several design software programs means I can tackle all design projects in several formats and styles. Plus, I always welcome a new challenge. Whether for personal or commercial use, you'll always receive the most creative graphics in high resolution and print-ready files at incredibly competitive prices. Don't postpone your vision. Start using the quality graphics you deserve and improve your image, grow your business, and show the world who you really are. Send me a message today and let's get started.